What an incredible opportunity to build a new PC and give back to the community. Steve, consider this challenge accepted. We've got all of the components right here to create a high-performance system that we'll be donating to the Child's Play charity. Before we get started, it's probably a good idea to stretch a little bit. Warm up. All right, ready, set, build. Wow, look at that, a built-in I/O plate. Motherboard installed. Power supply installed. CPU installed. Memory and storage installed. Last components installed. Done. Wow. Let's fire this computer up. Look at that, lighting up like an old school arcade. We built a system in less than 2 minutes, is ready to go to be donated to Child's Play charity. It is really exciting that once again, we thank you, ASUS, for this incredible opportunity. It was so much fun and further proof that anyone can build their own PC. Now it's time for others to join the Build Together, Give Together challenge. The D&H family challenges you to build a PC to donate to a charity of your choice and share your own do-it-yourself video. Thank you, have fun, be safe, and let's build together and give together.